This is the power steering relocation kit for the Overkill Supercharger for the Camaro V6. Comes with a brand new fluid reservoir along with a mounting bracket. You'll get this black bracket attached to a smaller aluminum foot bracket. You will get a new power steering pump fitting. You will also get its C-clip retainer and a new bolt. You will get 5 clamps in total, 2 larger clamps, 3 smaller ones. You will also get a brass barb. Typically you will receive this pre-installed. You will get this length, 3-foot length of 3/8 hose, and you will get a 2-foot length of 5/8 hose with this unicoil installed to allow for a nice 90-degree bend.